We do that for you. We suffer for you. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Hey guys, welcome back to Rubber Under Garage, and if you're new, welcome. Thanks for stopping by, checking out the videos. Today's video, we're gonna show you the start of building out the new shop. This shop is about 850 square feet. It was completely empty. There was no insulation. There was nothing but lights and electricity. So we're gonna show you what we did after we put in more outlets to prepare it, to get all of our workbenches built, our cabinets hung, and start being able to put some stuff away, get things organized, and start building out the rest of the shop. So stay tuned and we'll get to it. This is my new shop. I mentioned in a couple videos that I was going to be moving and getting a new shop. Well, we are here. Today, our plan is to get this working, which is an outlet that I installed. It doesn't seem to be functioning correctly. I've got a few extra ones, but I've already installed all the extra outlets that we're gonna need, and my brother is here for the weekend. So once I get this done, I'm gonna walk you around and tell you what our plan is for this weekend. We have all the supplies, we're ready to go. We just need to get it done.
Do it. Do it.
Okay, we're gonna give you a full view of the shop right here so you can kind of see what we are working with. There you go, pretty cool. We got a full stall over here, which will be an office and get framed all the way back, and it'll actually have a bar on the end of it. And guess what? You're partying, baby. You're partying in the new shop. So today we're gonna try and knock out, or I should say this weekend, we're gonna try and knock out getting all of the outlets wired, which we have one funky one right here. Not sure what's going on. That's not gonna slow us down. It's cutting out the power to a few of our outlets, but it's all good. We got plenty of outlets to use. And right now, Shane is working on removing some of the steel that was put over the windows. This shop existed for 35 years before this house was here.
What? No way.
And the fact that no one was here a lot of the times, they had all these windows boarded up.
Metal.
Oh yeah.
I think if you put it flat, you could probably start to cook an egg on it, because that's how much sun is trying to beat through this window right now.
And
lighten this place up, man.
now that we've got all the extra wiring run, we're going to start using all of this insulation and start insulating all of these walls, which will help this place from heating up on days like today and help it from cooling down in the winter.
Story problem time, kids. Dale buys 8 rolls of insulation for the walls of his 12 by 24 foot shop with shorts on. How many rolls are needed for the ceiling? If you answered, Dale needs to put some pants on, you'd be correct.
After we get that done, we're going to sheet these walls with plywood, and the reason we're just going to use plywood is because most of these walls are going to be completely covered up and you're not going to see it. After that, we've got all the lumber over here to build some really nice workbenches. Let me show you where those are going to go. They're going to start right around where Shane is, and they'll go all the way down into this corner, and then they'll come off of that. And so technically this run of workbench from the wall will be 18 feet because you're including the 2 feet from the other bench, but it'll go all the way down this wall, and then we're going to put a door in there. So we need to get working, but first let's see how much light this lets in. It's pretty nice. All right, well, we're just gonna have to see what becomes of this. All right, we have got this wall completely cleared out behind me. So we're gonna start putting the insulation in and get that moving so we can start plying this baby up. Let's cue the time lapse and get rocking on that. All the way up to 8 feet, and we're working our way around. All right, little update here. We have got all the insulation on this wall right here, and we have just a little bit more to go. We've got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more pieces of insulation to cover everything that we need. Shane right now is painting the windowsills, and the reason we're doing that is because from the outside, you're just gonna see plywood and stuff. And who wants to see that? So the plan is we're gonna ply this instead of having all the steel on it. Before we ply the windows, we're gonna paint this area of the OSB black. And so from the outside, it'll look like a really dark shop. And that's the goal here.
That's just a straight shooter with upper management written all over him.
So we're gonna leave one window open, which is right here, and we'll have our shelves here. We're gonna start our cabinets right here, and we're going to get our 65-inch TV. That's right, 65-inch TV.
That's huge, brother.
65-inch TV mounted on the wall. Stay tuned, and we'll get that going. All right, we are still at it. We have finished all of this wall, minus a couple little cracks, but we're gonna go 8 feet up with the plywood for right now, and then we'll finish the top later. But as soon as we get these 2 little cracks done, we're gonna move on to this wall and finish insulating that wall. Then we can begin sheeting. So stay tuned, we're gonna keep going. Hey guys, welcome to Painting with Sean.
So I hope you grab a few paints and some brushes and come along and paint with us.
Right now, we are blacking out the windows. So the steel has been removed. This will take its place and it will be black. So it'll look like just all the lights are off in there. All right. One coat. One coat, whether it likes it or not. We're gonna give you a little progress update on what we've been doing. We kind of started from the corner and working our way out, but let me show you what's going on. We have got this corner started. We've been plying it out. We're gonna add the 2 feet of plywood up there and follow it along once we get the insulation done there. You can see we've got all the insulation done, got the outlet fixed up there, and what we're doing is we're painting the windowsills like I told you before, kind of showed you what was going on, but we're also painting these boards that we're putting up, the plywood, and I'll show you why. So you can see Shane over there. He's marking off another board. We've got a board that you can see right there that's been painted black, and this is why we're doing it. We had these windows here and they always had the steel on them, which was a silver look. But you can see inside here that there is the natural wood look to it. So what we did is we painted it out so it was black, and then we're painting the plywood black. So you can see, even though the window is extremely dirty here.
Pro tip, if you're going to seal off the windows permanently, maybe you should clean them before you start. What the people?
You can see that killer. It looks, I'm excited to continue on with this project and get this shop cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. So we'll keep you updated on this, and you can keep following along with our progress. Stay tuned. Hey there, it is the following day. We have been working a little bit this morning, getting everything ready to mount the TV up in that corner right there. So what we're going to do, we gotta go get a little bit more plywood, but we gotta ply across all this. We got this whole wall completely sheeted, and we've left one window open to view. By chance, that window is the only one with a screen. So we've got all the outlets framed out, and we're basically gonna go down almost to the wiring that you see there coming down the wall, the yellow and white. We're gonna ply that all up, and then there's gonna be a door here. So we don't wanna go too far, but we're gonna get the plywood to finish all of this so we can insulate everything, and we'll finish insulating all across there as well. Once we do that and get everything secured with screws, we are going to paint it a light gray.
Hell yeah,
or
brother.
kind of a darker gray. And then it's gonna look really nice. It's gonna be a pimp shop, and then we can start on the workbenches. So stay tuned, we'll check back in. Well, kids, we're out here again. It is yet another day, and we have made some great progress this morning. We have got 3 of the workbenches. Thrice. 3 of the workbenches are in place, so we are working on the 4th bench right now, and we are getting the cabinets cleaned off and ready to be remounted in this shop, and those will go up here on this wall to the right of this window.
A lot of measuring.
Lot of measuring.
You know what they say? There's 3 types of people in this world. Ones that can do math and ones that can't.
That's right. Anyways, we're going to continue on, and we'll get back to you with another shop update very shortly. And I gotta say, we've been busting our ass for 3 days straight. And you know what? Our pain is tremendous right now. And we do that for you. We suffer for you. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Little update here. We are making a wonderful progress. I'm going to show you what's been going on. So we got all the workbenches stained. We got the legs painted. So we're just going to walk down our workbench here.
Oh my God.
Come back down here. We got Shane laying some poly on. So we have 2 coats across the whole thing, and looks like we're going to start on a 3rd. And then, bam! Bam, 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 bam! Look at that. We got our cabinets up. We are cooking with gas, folks. So we're going to continue on, and we will update you soon. Hey guys, we are back with a final update for this video. We busted our ass all weekend. We got a lot done in the shop. It looks amazing compared to what it looked like before. If you remember in the video, this whole center stall was completely filled. It's basically 2 car stalls, and it was all filled full of everything that goes in the shop. And the 3rd stall is full of all of the scooters and all that good stuff. But what we wanted to do is get more outlets wired in, insulation in here, plywood on the walls, paint it, get our cabinets hung up, and start getting everything unloaded. And we have done that big time. Got all the workbenches built, and we even polyurethane the tops of them 3 or 4 times. It's looking good, and we got to get on insulating the rest of this thing, because right now it's pretty much as hot in here as it is outside.
Wow! Okay!
And that's because there is 0 insulation up there. So I'm gonna flip you around and just show you exactly what it all looks like now. Take it all in, peeps. You got your man door entrance right there, and you work your way across. You've got your galley style work area, all of your workbenches. We're gonna build some shelves underneath some of these. 3D printers are just kind of temporarily sitting there, and we're gonna start getting ready to prep for the multi-board. We are gonna have a huge multi-board on this baby.
Yes! Yes!
And that's gonna be another video. Our most popular video to date was the multi-board that my brother built for his shop. And so guess what? We are going to outdo that one. So with that, I'm gonna wrap this video up, and thank you for watching. Really appreciate it. And if you like seeing stuff like this, if you wanna follow along, we're gonna be doing some more shop videos as we build this brand new shop out. We got about 850 square feet to fill up, and we haven't filled up very much of it yet. But most likely what's coming up next is we're going to be building in this 3rd stall behind me. This whole entire 3rd stall is gonna be my new office, AKA Manland. So stay tuned for that. It'll be coming in a video soon. So with that, I'm gonna say, give us a like, give us a comment. If you have not subscribed yet, I encourage you to subscribe. We have a lot of great content coming out. So until next time, Rev Render out.
As always, thanks for watching. Tune in every Tuesday and Saturday for new videos. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Those likes really help us out with the YouTube algorithm. Until next time, Rev Render out.